Hello, welcome back to our channel. How are you feeling? If you're new to our channel, welcome. We uploaded our summer travel vlog number 1 and 2, and we thought that it would be a great idea to show you how we use easy, quick, simple, and inexpensive travel ideas for packing. We are sure that this video will spark some awesome ideas of your own for many of your trips to come. These inexpensive bottles and jars from the Dollar Tree and Primark comes in handy for many of your products from hair, facial, body, you just name it. They're gonna hook you up real good. I love these ones especially because of the naturalness, the natural bamboo covering on them. I said perhaps I'll use them by myself when I'm traveling, maybe with my future boo. I'm putting it onto the universe, okay? I'm a future boo manifestation. I love that these came with their own labels. It comes with a funnel, a spatula, and a jar in the package as well for easy storing, whatever you want to concoct and pouring, okay? And then I store them in the basket here. A great idea is to use the pouches that you would get as giveaways. Sometimes you may purchase makeup or facial products that comes in a pouch. Also, it may come as an attachment on a larger bag. Now you could use them to place items in for traveling and other important needs. Here I only purchase the one that you see in here that I'm holding, the one with all of the lipsticks in the bottom there, and the shimmery golden one that you saw earlier. Now I could use some of them here to place my items. Here I'm starting to pack for our first trip. We're going to Long Island and I want to transfer the stuff in my handbag to my backpack for easy travel. This I didn't bother to take for the beach because my relatives have enough stuff, and I made sure we got our clothes prepped the night before to make it easier on us in the morning. And here we came back from Long Island, so I want to transfer some of the stuff in this luggage for upstate New York. And these are the luggage that I used. I only used 2 of them, the medium and the small one. It came as a set, so I just wanted to show that. And we are getting ready now for upstate New York. So the night before I made sure that we have our clothes prepped, ironed everything, know what we are wearing, so when we wake up in the morning it's easier for both of us. No stress, right? Want to make things as easy as possible. I am going to try my very best to place the items that you saw previously, the ones that you're viewing now and throughout the rest of the video, in the description box down below, so you will see where I purchased them. The jewelry are from Shein, the mask is from Target, the jeans is a hand-me-down from my goddaughter. Yes, my goddaughter is now bigger than me. The shoes is Puma, and I think I purchased it from Foot Locker. These pouches here are from other purchases, other glasses that I purchased. Maybe they're from my ophthalmologist as well, 1 or 2 of them. And I'm going to use them to house these glasses there. Another great tip is to roll your clothing when placing them in your luggage, and I'm sure most of you guys already use this tip. It allows you to have more space for other items. As I'm showing in the bottom here, I'm going to use this space to place the bottle items. So in that way, just in case that there is a leakage, possibility is not going to leak on the clothing. We love pineapple in this house, so once I saw the shoes on Shein, I knew I had to get it. Bella's pineapple purse. Yes, we love pineapple. We're the pineapple people. And we also have to get our kids prep. Sunglasses is in Bella's bag. She also have one of her favorite stuffed animal and anything else that I think that she will need at hand. Backpacks makes it so much easier for traveling, so I'm taking this one with me. It's a mom's bag. I still use it. We got bug spray, hand sanitizer, lotion, and anything else that I think that we'll need at hand goes in my backpack for easy access. To protect your phone when you're in the pool or the ocean, this Seaweck waterproof case does just that. I remembered when Bella and I went to Dorney Park a few years back, we purchased this, and you know they can be pretty pricey when you go to these water parks, so we still keep it in the box. Moving on to hair care. Gotta have the scarves and the shower caps to protect your hair while you sleep and in the shower. Extra mask. and blankie for the bus, train, or plane, whatever your means of commute to make you comfortable. I do my nails by myself. In that way, I could put towards my trips, okay? Especially as a single mommy, you want to save that money. This is my body care, and this is for Bella, body care and face shower. I love using zippy bags, different size for different stuff, and in that way you could see what's in the bag. Now, when you're on these planes and trains and stuff, you got to go to the ladies' room. You want to make sure you're comfortable and you have extra backup, okay? The least helps as a guide, so in that way, possibility you're not going to forget anything behind. So you see how the labels comes in handy, and we made sure we have more body wash because when we went to Long Island, that's what we used. We almost used all of it, and we made sure we have more mouthwash as well for the second trip. Now, when we go out especially, we like to make sure that we cover our toothbrush to protect them, gum health. And this is our hair and body oil that we love so much. It's our staple and it smells so good. Hair jam to keep the hair slick, facial mist, Tylenol for myself, facial butter, facial lotion. The other two is body lotion, floss, hair stuff for both Bella and myself. When you got a whole lot of hair, you got to make sure you be prepared. That's one thing, if anything, that you don't want to forget. Jewelry for Bella, some type of painkiller, especially for kids when you're traveling. Sunscreen, we love this one here from Trader Joe's. It makes our skin so glowy. Some type of fun stuff for the kid. Bella's glasses goes in here. I can't open it. These here is going to be going in my side bag for easy access because these things I need at hand. And in here is my little pouch. I like to call it my little feminine pouch. I carry it with me at all times in my bag. Here I have contacts just in case I need my contacts. And I like to take my facial stuff with me as well. My facial brush, massager. And this is Honey Pot feminine stuff. I'm going to keep it in my pouch. You just never know, especially when you're traveling. You don't know what's going to happen. Got to be prepared for everything. Facial rollers. Bella have hers as well. She's like, Mommy, I love how it feels on my face. Can I have one too? And I got her one. Her facial pad goes with it. There's my jewelry. And I love putting them in clear bags so you can see what's there. This is a copper one. I love it. And this is safety pin and also earring backs. And I also purchased some from Shein. This is like a little first aid going on here, and that goes in my pouch in my backpack. This is deep conditioning treatment for our hair. Rubbing alcohol in that bottle and all the other stuff that's visible for you to see. This here is Florida water. My mom used to use that when she travels for her to smell just in case she's feeling a little sick, and I learned to do the same thing as well. This here are fragrances that I use on my skin. It's like roll-on. It smells so good. I get it from the Middle Eastern stores. Wet ones to clean our hands, especially when there is no water on those buses. This is our DIY body butter. DIY lip balm as well, and makeup goes in this pouch here. And then I have my makeup palettes, a book to read. I have to finish reading this Michelle Obama book. And tickets, you can't forget your tickets, passports, whatever you may need. And in your handy dandy pouch, you may want to put some gloves, some extra mask, and whatever other important things that you know that you may need, because you just never know what's going to be happening out there. You always got to be prepared for the unexpected. The pouches that you saw earlier in the video, this is what I'm using this one for, to be the home for the jewelry, and this is the home for the mask. I almost forgot my body massager, and I'm only taking one. That's the winner. And we cannot forget hair clips to section our hair. Ta-da! We are ready to go, all packed and ready to go. Bringing in the goodies to keep you refreshed and comfortable. Ginger ale does the trick, especially when you're feeling a little sick, in the tummy, Trident to keep you refreshed, and all these other goodies. We purchase all of these goodies from Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and Target. These ginger chews here are specific also for travel. It's just that I cut the top. You can't see the airplane where they normally have it. And I'll be placing some of these goodies in these zipper bags for travel. Yes, I know you guys are saying we are obsessed with pineapples. When we saw them at the Dollar Tree, we know we had to purchase them. They're going on the trip with us, filled with homemade juice. We got cookies at the Dollar Tree as well in the can. They were taking one for Auntie Kanisha. This insulated bag we purchased at Marshall's. And we are on the Greyhound, luggage packed and ready to go. We are off, heading away from New York City to upstate New York. Woohoo! Here we go! Here we are at our rest stop getting prepared to eat some of our snacks before we roll out again. When we got at the hotel, we were able to store all of our goodies as we were hoping in the refrigerator. We also stored our DIY hair products, curl cream, and deep conditioning treatment to preserve much longer. I also placed these 2 ice packs in the insulated bag to keep things more nice and fresh. And here we are storing our goodies in this refrigerator in a second hotel that we had to stay in when we stop off at Buffalo from Niagara Falls, and you will see why we had to in our second travel vlog. Here I want to talk about the containers because at the time I didn't know that the ice pack could have been removed from the covers. We purchased them from the Dollar Tree, and let me tell you, I really love the idea that the ice pack comes in the cover so it can be removed. And here they are, nice and frozen from the freezer at home. And I'll be sure to put the video links for travel vlog number 1 and number 2 in the description box down below and at the end of this video. I couldn't find my travel pillow before we left for upstate, so once we returned, I went to Marshall's and we purchased these. They were only $6 each on sale. The 2 small ones are for kids. I'm going to give those away to family or friends. The 2 bigger ones are for adults. One I'll keep for myself. The other is for my future travel partner, if you know what I mean. Bella can now use the one that I used to use. She loves the color pink, so now she can use it. And this one here, Bella used to use it when she was a baby, and I already gave it away. I thought about taking this toiletry travel bag with us, but then I forgot about it, and it would have worked so great on this trip, but next time.
Bye! See you guys in our next upload. We're so happy to share our special moment, Bella's special moment with you guys. Happy 11th birthday, Bella. Mommy love you.
I love you too. You're so cute. You should be coming.
Kissy, kissy. You see she's going after my arms again. Calling me trouble ups. Bye guys. See ya.